Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. Here the given question is, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The equation is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So directly looking at this question, we should not tell whether it is true or false. Even we need to justify our answer. That means we need to work out and we need to find out. So let me put down the question here. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. This is what given in the question, and we need to find out, we need to prove or we need to justify our answer, or we need to calculate how if this statement is correct or not. Now in order to prove this, let us consider that A is equal to, let us assume A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. Just we are taking the assumption that A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. So with these assumptions, let us move ahead and see what we are going to get. Now let us first pick up the left hand side. Left hand side of the equation is equal to sin A plus B, or I can write this one as sin 30 degree plus 60 degree, or I can write this is equal to sin 90 degree. Okay, and we very well know that sin 90 degree is equal to 1. That means what we got, our left hand side, we got the left hand side of the equation is 1. Now let's see what we can get from right hand side of the equation. Right hand side is equal to sin A plus sin B, or that is equal to sin A is, I can write sin, instead of sin A, what I can write, sin 30 degree, because we assumed A is 30 degree, plus sin 60 degree, or that is equal to, we very well know that sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Guys, this much at least we need to remember. What is the value of, or what are the values of sin 30 degree and what are the values of sin 60 degree? I always used to say that kindly remember at least the values for all the degrees for sin 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, so that we can extract the values of other trigonometric values of other, like cos, tan, cot, etc. etc. So we know sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, or this is equal to, I can write 1 plus root 3 by 2. Guys, what you observe now, right hand side we are getting is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. That means left hand side is not equal to, that means we are getting left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence the given statement is false. Hence the given statement is false. That's all, guys. First of all, what we did, we considered, or we assumed the value of A is equal to 30 degree and the value of B is equal to 60 degree. Then we first of all picked up the left hand side of the equation, which is sin A plus B. Then we took sin 30 degree plus 60 degree and we got sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Therefore we got left hand side is equal to 1. Then we picked up right hand side of the equation. So right hand side is equal to sin A plus sin B, that is equal to sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, and we know sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Then we just added both the values and we got 1 plus root 3 by 2. Therefore we got right hand side is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. whereas we got left hand side is 1 and right hand side we got 1 plus root 3 by 2. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence, the given statement is false. Hope guys you understood this process or this calculation, how we justify our answer. If you still have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.